Hi, my name is Patrick Porter. I'm here at MarineMax Stuart showing you one of the new 280 Vantages 2021 models that is fresh off the press. It's equipped with twin 300 Mercury outboards, naturally aspirated V8s, one of the best engines on the market. As you walk your way onto the boat, you'll notice through the transom, freshwater washdown rod holders, great aft seating, easily collapsible. Now you're ready to fish off the back. Have a nice deep live well over here. Huge, which is unique to the 28 size, a nice size dive door, heavy dive door that is easily collapsible, as well as a grab rail to get on and off. You'll notice on the starboard side over here, we'll have storage underneath the seating and a prep station for your grill. Underneath, you'll have a fridge. Over here, we'll have a 5-position seat that goes all the way down so you can collapse and lean down. Or, if you want to split the seating, you can split the seating on both sides. We'll move here to the headspace. Headspace, beautiful countertop, sink, actual physical head. We'll move here to the helm station. This boat is equipped with active trim, VHF, Raymarine Axiom Pro. We have the Mercury Vessel View, digital throttle with the docking mode. It's absolutely gorgeous. This boat is equipped with JL audio throughout, nice Fusion stereo. We'll have a midship center door with storage on the side to keep your table and 5-gallon bucket. As you move forward, you have beautiful bow seating, almost like you're in a cabin cruiser almost. Then we also have, again, storage underneath here. And this is Loctite storage too. So, beautiful boat all around. I'd love you guys to come see it. Again, my name is Patrick. This boat's here at MarineMax Stuart. Give me a call if you'd like to see it in person. 561-847-6675. Thank you.